In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload contact details to Zoho CRM. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to prepare your file, import it into Zoho, and make sure your contacts are clean, organized, and ready to use. First, let's talk about getting your file ready. Zoho CRM supports CSV, XLS, and XLSX formats, so make sure your data is saved as one of those. In your file, the very first row should contain clear column headings like first name, last name, email, phone, and so on. These headings act as field names and will help Zoho understand where each piece of information should go. It's also important that mandatory fields, especially last name, are filled in for every contact. If those required fields are missing, Zoho may reject those records during import. Once your file is ready, log into your Zoho CRM account and head over to the Contacts module. You can find it in the top navigation bar. Just click on Contacts to open the main Contacts page. On this page, look toward the top right corner for the Create Contact button. Next to it, there's a small drop-down arrow. Click that arrow, and from the menu that appears, choose Import Contacts. This opens the import wizard. You'll now be asked where you want to import from. Choose the option labeled From File. Here, you can either drag and drop your prepared file into the window, or click Browse to locate it on your computer and upload it. After your file is uploaded, Zoho will ask you to define a few import options. Start by selecting the appropriate layout if your Zoho CRM uses multiple layouts for contacts. Then, choose the import action. You can add new contacts, update existing contacts only, or do both at the same time. If you're updating or checking for duplicates, choose how Zoho should identify existing records, typically by email address or by a unique record ID. This step is crucial for preventing duplicate entries. Next, you'll see the field mapping page. Zoho will automatically try to match the column names in your file with the fields in the Contacts module. Take a moment to review each mapping. If something doesn't match correctly, use the drop-down menus to adjust it. You can also use auto-mapping or even create new custom fields if your file contains data that doesn't fit existing fields. On the following screen, you can configure final options, such as assigning the imported contacts to a specific user, triggering automation rules, or creating follow-up tasks. This is a great opportunity to ensure that your new contacts immediately enter your workflows. You'll also need to confirm that the people in your file have given explicit consent to receive emails, which helps you stay compliant with data protection regulations. When everything looks good, click Finish to start the import. The time it takes will depend on your file size. Zoho will process the data in the background and send you a notification once the import is complete, along with a summary so you can see how many records were successfully added or updated.